Kore otuko wa gatagate niguo ekwirwo aya eri mahithukirwo ni maabitha ruhonge rwa KWS mari na nyama cia nyamu cia githaka.
Accepting them when they were trafficking, already they had done the skinning. The meat that you have seen, it's only the stick meat. They had removed the bones, the skins, and disposed of. So right now they were in the process of disposing to the market.
Kuratuika moima tatu no moima na gari ya muthemba wa pickup ahota gwithara na ware manyitirwo moima na kibikibi.
Two suspects, and we were able to recover the pickup that was being used to traffic. We handed the two motorbikes and some 600 kilos of bushmeat.
Muingi wa gicigo kiu niguo menyithirie maabitha borithi na thutha ucio maranirie na maabitha ruhonge rwa nyamu na matuika a kuhithukirwo.
After a short while, they realized that there were two motorbikes which came and they handed the heavy sacks.
Maabitha acio moigite ni megwika uthuthuria wa nyama icio niguo mamenye ni nyamu iriku icio ciuragirwo.
Well, we cannot be able to know very clearly what these bushmeat species were, but we are going further into laboratory tests to identify which species of animals this were.
Oho aria marutaga biacara icio cia kuraga nyamu ni marutĩirwo mukana.
For those people who might be contemplating to enter into illegal activities of poaching, that the government is going to catch up with them.
Maabitha acio ni macokeirie muingi wa gicigo kiu ngatho ni kunyitanira nao ni kuhithuria wiki nayo ucio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.